I am originally from South Africa, born and raised. Migrated to the United States in 2010. I'm from a huge family with 9 siblings in total. Growing up, my father owned a couple of businesses: security companies, shoe manufacturing, street coke vendors, and a payphone. These businesses were regarded as small. We worked to operate some of the businesses. Hence, my father mainly employed immediate family and relatives to run his businesses. My background, culture, and life experience have influenced my business athletic and work ethics. My proximity was key, and I developed my business acumen not necessarily in administrative tasks but more into operational, customer relations, and resilience. I think more of an innovator, service provider offering IT solution client of all spheres and adding value to their businesses. My company, Lima Technologies, cultivates and innovates. We're selling cloud and virtualization computing to small, medium sized businesses. As you can see, we're looking at the cost effective rapid solution, availability and reliability, and infrastructure update, and software development life cycle. Now, according to IBS World, IT consulting in the United States market size is 623 billion, and our biggest competitors are Dell Technologies, Booz Allen Hamilton, Accenture, just to name a few. Now, what we've learned into businesses, coming in as a small business, we have to capture the market size. And what we're doing is not going for the big companies. We're going for the small, medium businesses that need us to innovate their on-prem infrastructure to cloud computing. Now that's what we are targeting. Our com- our competitive advantage. We've spoken to our potential customers and have insight to what they are missing and what they need for their businesses. The data is verified, so we coming in with a list and a mindset and an insight of what we can actually offer to our customers. The team is made out of IT professionals which have over 20 years of experience in IT enterprise. Currently, we're a team of 5 employees, including me. Our marketing plan. Well, MSP and consulting is a 623 billion market size in the United States, as reported. The major companies have lucrative contracts with the federal government, public and private sectors in all markets. The segment share of the industry revenue has remained relatively steady over the past 5 years. And what we're doing is we're looking at fundraising. We need an investment of a capital to scale our businesses into 10 states, mainly in the East Coast. Capital to provide partnership in our cloud computing platform, marketing, and our R&D for our remote monitoring management software. We need investors to be part of that investment. Hence, we're going to give you either a stock option or you can get a 30% of the company ownership. Now, all our customers want to spend less in infrastructure. That's where our solution comes to play. Our biggest asset is the IT professional, and the byproduct of our core business model is to build compliant, secured, and government regulated cloud computing, which we it's offered by AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. All these equipment that are based on the user of the business's home or their server room, we have a cloud solution that we can actually migrate it to these world-class IT cloud computing virtualization companies, which is Microsoft and LBS as well as Google Cloud Computing. Now, our product is strong in the market fit. Uh, as you can see, our hypothesis was scientifically proven that cloud and virtualization computing is the future of IT. Hence, AWS, Azure, and cloud computing has developed to a biggest market margin in the entire world, and the whole world is moving towards cloud computing, and our company is serving that to small and medium-sized businesses who don't get the benefit of what cloud can give in terms of security, resilience, and management to their cloud computing. Thank you.